This house is cozy.
Here I come.
Just like the name on the building. Now, this is a stunning 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Ajah that comes with a nice and lovely facade, beautiful lighting, lovely design. It comes with a fully fitted kitchen that offers you culinary experience. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video with a loved one. Drop a comment what you think about this property. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, my name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties, and today we are touring this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Ajah. Now, this property is sitting on 270 square meters of land space, and it can comfortably park 2 cars. It's not that big, but it can comfortably park 2 cars, and it comes with a lovely facade, nice design, nice architectural design. Let's see what this property has in store for us. Okay, so this is the compound space. You can park 2 cars, you can park 1 car here, and you can park the other car right here. So you have this beautiful greenery over here. These are plants, walk. So you can just do your planting right here. So we have it, then you maintain it and you cultivate it. Okay, so let's head over to this place. So this is the proper place of the house. You can park 1 car here, you can park 1 car right here, you can park the other car right here. Just 2 cars. So let's go around. So you see the compound space of this property. Sorry, the gen is on. Okay, so this is the side of the house. It's going to come with an electric fence. They're still yet to install it, but they've put the pole for it, so they will install it. So you have your pumping machine, and this is the backyard. So this door leads you right inside the kitchen. It's locked, but I will show you the door once we enter inside. Okay, so this is the compound space. You can't really go in there because they are still doing some work. They have some scaffolding for this one. So I just needed to show. So let's head inside. Okay, so we are right back where we started. Okay, before I go in, I needed to show you this lovely artwork. Beautiful, that comes with this lighting. No, that's the flower pot over there. So we have our fire extinguisher right here. It comes with the building. So stepping in, you're greeted with this security door that comes with a biometric access control. So let's step in. So this is the living area. You have your TV console by this side. Comes with this blend of ash and black color. Beautiful. Blends perfectly with the white color, white paint. So you have your TV console right this side. Then this door, you can open it this way. I just have to close it because of the gen sound, so you can hear me. So it comes with this beautiful chandelier. It has a leaf design, chandelier leaf design, yeah, looking like a leaf, glass design. Lovely. With the beautiful lights, you have your LED lights and your spotlight. So over here you have your wine rack. It comes with this light control. You can change the pattern of how you want the lights to go. You can control it right here. So this is your wine rack. Then show them this light. So if I want the light to be going this way, all I do is just switch it, and it's going to change pattern. I put it off, then come up, so you can see. So this will look beautiful at night when the light is dim. It will look very beautiful. So you have your wine rack over here. Okay, so by this side you have your guest room and you have your kitchen. But let's head over to the guest room. So this is your guest room. So come in. So this is your guest room. So you have your wardrobe here. It's portable wardrobe. I know, yeah, it's not really that big, but it's at least you can put your bed in here and it's going to fit. So it's a guest room. It's a guest room for a reason. Okay, so the guest room comes with a toilet. So you can see, comes with its own toilet. All rooms are in suite. Comes with a water heater, shower space, your WC, and your washing hands sink. Okay, so let's head over to the kitchen. So stepping in, this is your kitchen. It's a fully fitted kitchen. Comes with your lovely cabinetry. It doesn't have a kitchen island, obviously, because I mean, if they put a kitchen island, it's going to take up a lot of space. So in order to maximize space, you just have to put in a lot of cabinets for you. Comes with an oven, a microwave. You have your gas burner, your heat extractor. And these are all cabinets. Yeah, this is a cabinet for you to put in your cutleries. You have a compartment for it. And also you have your sink. It has this adjustable faucet. You can put it in any direction you want the flow of water to go to. And also you have your glass cabinet right here. Sorry, glass cabinet right here. So okay. So this space is for your refrigerator. So once you get a refrigerator, this is where you mount a refrigerator. Okay, so this door takes you. Remember, I was telling you that this door takes you outside the compound space. So as you can see, takes you outside compound space. Okay, so let me close it so we can hear ourselves better.
Okay, so we're done with the ground floor. Let's head upstairs.
The rest of the house. So you have one room right here, then you have 3 rooms upstairs. So let's go. Okay, before I go upstairs, you have your visitors. You have your visitors toilet right here. This is your visitors toilet. Okay. So the staircase is a motion sensor staircase. It's because of our close to it, that was why it lit up. So you have your lovely glass hand railings right here, and your beautiful flute panel design that is blending perfectly with the white screening, the white paint. And you have this lovely cut sculpture work here. Beautiful. Okay, so you check out your chandelier lights that is illuminating this area, and you have your flower pots with your white stone right here. Beautiful.
Okay, so the developers had to become creative to maximize enough space for it. So that's why we have the flower pots over there.
So this is you have this lovely design, sculpture design right here, and this is your family lounge. So you have your TV console over here. So you have your space to put your game. If you want to play game with your kids, you can put your PS5 right here, your pads, whatever. It's beautiful. So what I love about this, they know how to blend colors. You know, the downstairs was harsh color and white. Now this one is a brown color and the carton color brown. You know, blends perfectly with the white. It's okay. So you have let's head over to this side. You have 2 rooms facing each other. Remember, it's a 4-bedroom. You have 1 room downstairs and you have 3 rooms upstairs. So let's head over. Let's check out this room. Okay, so this is room 1. Check out. Room 1. High ceiling. It's quite spacious. It's quite spacious. You have your space right here. It's quite spacious. So you have window right here to take in good lighting, and you also have a window right here. So there's something I need to show you. Like the developers really manage space, and it's looking beautiful if you ask me. Now take a look at this. This is your cupboard. This is your cupboard. You have your cupboard right here. This is a nice design. You have your cupboard right here, and this door leads you to the toilet. So they really manage space. I love this design. It's beautiful. You know, yeah, you have your water heater, your shower space, your mirror, your WC, and your set and your bathroom sink. Okay. So I love the design. Like, it's looking beautiful. It's a design, but at the same time it's functional. So let's head over to the next room. So this is room 2. Same design as room 1. So we have this lovely light. Check out the POP work. It's neat. Okay. Still the same design. You know, the wardrobe and the door to the bathroom. Perfect blend. So it serves as the wardrobe and also serves as the door to the bathroom. So it's beautiful. I love the design. You know, the architects actually came out, you know, being creative. That's good. So let's head over to the master's bed. So welcome to the master's bedroom. This is master's bed. You have this lighting right here. Beautiful. See the space. So this leads you to the veranda. The door is a pivot, comes out like this. The pivot door. Okay. So this is your walk-in closet. There's something beautiful about this. I just love the design. So just this, and it slides open. Beautiful, right? So this is your walk-in closet. Okay. So it has the button on both sides. So once I step in through, the door closes. So you just have to come and show them. You just have to show them this button to open it. So it's okay. So this is the walk-in closet, and you have your TV right here. There's one unique. I mean, this
developer
this has a crazy idea. Like, so you can turn this. That is the bathroom. But before I go in, I just need to show you this feature. So you can turn it, and it's going to blend, looking like a design. So if you're in the room, just turn it back. And I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, so let's step into the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. You have this beautiful ocean sanitary ware. This is your shower space. Okay, so this is your bathtub. This is the bathtub. Beautiful. So that TV I turned, this is where let me turn it so you can see. So just turn it. Yeah. So once you're just relaxing here, just watching your TV, a glass of wine and the lobster and all that. So this is your shower area. You have your heaters, your hot water, your water heater, shower area, your mirror, and all that. So this house is valued for 250 million naira. It comes with a global CFO covering the entire property right here. It comes with the governor's consent and the building approval. So call me for private home viewing and drop a comment what you think about this property. So till I come your way next time, thank you and God bless you.